Okay, so let's carry on to look at question 3. You have compound X heated under reflux with excess of dichromate to form compound Y. Okay, so compound X is here. It is heated under reflux with dichromate to form compound Y. Okay, so both X and Y are warm with phthalings. Okay, so what do we have here? Here we have a secondary alcohol. Here we have a aromatic aldehyde. Okay, so the aldehyde, right, at the top will oxidize to carboxylic acid, and then the secondary alcohol will oxidize to ketone. Okay, so the question is, will any of those two, X and Y, will they give a red PPT? The answer is no, because we never had aliphatic uh, aldehyde before, which is the only functional group that phthalings will test positively for. Okay, so our answer here is D.